Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to message on SpareRoom. All right, it's actually pretty easy to do. First up, just go ahead and find someone. For example, in the area of Chesterfield, right here, S40, hit on search. Now, for example, this one right here, which has free to contact a tag. Just going to click on it. Now, what we're going to do is just go ahead over to this message tab right here. Just click on it and you'll be landed to this page. Now, what we're going to do is just type in our message. For example, hi, I am interested in your room. Is it still available? Like that. If so, I would like to arrange a viewing one evening this weekend. That's it. And once done, just hit on send. Or if you have the option to call, you can go ahead and hit on call and call this number. All right. Once you've called the number, you can go ahead and click on mark as contacted. Now, if you're wondering where your inbox is, in here on the top right, here's your account. You can just go ahead and click on messages or this message icon right here. It's the same thing. All right. You'll be able to see your inbox right here. The sent messages, unread messages, and some other stuffs. All right, that's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.